Hello everybody and welcome back to Smoke and Tackle. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite colors, black with blue flake. Got the plastisol been cooking for a minute. And I put approximately 30 drops of black in there. About half a teaspoon of some blue flake. We'll give that a nice stir. So this is going to end up being a little bit translucent. Really let all that flake shine through. Ends up being a really nice color when it's all said and done. Bring this up in temp a little bit more. Hit that 350 degrees. We'll be ready to shoot some plastic. Well, plastic's done. Add a little stir. Alright, here we go. That injector's big, but not quite enough to go through and top everything back off. So top it all off with our small injector. Give that a second and see what we got going on. This is our 3 worm baits, Senko bait. Got our 4.5 inch action bait here and our creature bait. So we'll let that cool down for a second and see what's going on. Alright everybody, it's time to start breaking some molds free. So this is our creature bait here. In the black and blue. You can see that just turned out wonderful. Time for a 5-inch Senko. Hard to complain about that. Little action worm here. Black and blue is one of those baits where, you know, if you're just having a bad day, nothing's biting, you know, you've tried every other color in the world known to man, it always catches fish. I've never, whether the water's clear, murky, whether it's cloudy, sunny, this is kind of one of my go-to colors right here. It works like a charm every single time. Never had any issues with it. All right. Those shot in just amazing too. So getting into some of the thinner baits, you can definitely see it's a little more translucent in the bottom. Definitely a deep black up top in the thicker areas. One of my favorite baits right here. Oh, didn't quite shoot through that great. Missing a couple ends there, but yeah, I knew I was running out of plastisol in that injector there. All right. Let's see how these turn out. Eight-inch curly tail worm. Those turned out looking really good too. And definitely my favorite to throw though is this little guy right here. Well, let me know what you think and leave a like, drop a comment below. We'll see you next time.